Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 chemistry revision session 2 based on chapter reaction of chemical changes and reactions, types of chemical changes and reaction, and hydrogen. So part 1 is uploaded on this channel. This is part 2. So in this part we'll complete this both chapters revision. We were on fifth objective. It is complete the reaction by choosing correct option respectively. So the reaction is CuOH2 plus A gives CuCl2 plus B. Option 1 is A is equal to H2O and B is equal to HCl. Option 2 is A is equal to NaCl, B is equal to H2O. Option 3 is A is equal to 2HCl and B is equal to 2H2O. Option 4 is A is equal to H2SO4 and B is equal to H2O. And the correct option is option number 3, that is A is equal to 2HCl and B is equal to 2H2O. Moving towards next question. Question number 6 is, which of the following statement is not correct about reduction reaction? Option 1 is gain of electrons. Option 2 is gain of hydrogen. Option 3 is loss of oxygen. And option 4 is loss of electron. I'll repeat the question. Which of the following statement is not correct about reduction reaction? Option 1 is gain of electrons. Option 2 is gain of hydrogen. Option 3 is loss of oxygen. Option 4 is loss of electron. And the correct answer is option 4, loss of electron. Now, question number 7. Identify the wrong term in the reaction SO2 plus 2H2S gives 2H2O plus 3S. Option 1 is SO2 is an oxidizing agent. Option 2 is H2S is reducing agent. Option 3 is SO2 is reducing agent. And option 4 is all correct. I'll repeat the question. Identify the wrong term in the reaction SO2 plus 2H2S gives 2H2O plus 3S. Option 1 is SO2 is an oxidizing agent. Option 2 is H2S is a reducing agent. Option 3 is SO2 is reducing agent. Option 4 is all correct. Here the correct option is option 3. SO2 is reducing agent. Let's move towards question 8. It is Mg plus H2O gives MgO plus H2 gas. Find reducing agent in reaction. Option 1 Mg, option 2 H2O, option 3 MgO, option 4 none. I'll repeat the question. Mg plus H2O gives MgO plus H2 gas. Find reducing agent in reaction. Option 1 Mg, option 2 H2O, option 3 MgO, option 4 none. Here the correct answer is option 1 Mg. Mg is an reducing agent. Now question 9. Carbon react with oxygen to form CO and CO2. The atomic mass of the carbon and oxygen are 12 and 16 respectively. If follows: option 1 law of constant proportion, option 2 law of multiple proportion, option 3 law of conservation of matter, option 4 none of this. I'll repeat the question. Carbon react with oxygen to form CO and CO2. The atomic mass of carbon and oxygen are 12 and 16 respectively. If follows: option 1 is law of constant proportion, option 2 is law of multiple proportion, option 3 is law of conservation of matter, option 4 is none of this. Here the correct answer is option 2, law of multiple proportion. Now question number 10 and the last objective type question is 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. This reaction follows: option 1 law of constant proportion, option 2 law of multiple proportion, option 3 law of conservation of matter, option 4 none. So the correct answer of this question is option number 3, law of conservation of matter. Law of conservation of matter. Here we've completed the objective type. Let's move towards the subjective type questions. So first subjective type question is match the following. MTF. Match the following and column 1 A is MgCl2 plus 3O2 gives MgClO3 2. B is 2ClCuL2 gives 2Cu plus I2. Sorry, this is I. Option 3 is 2Fe plus 6HCl gives 2FeCl3 plus 3H2. D. BaCl2 plus CuSO4 gives BaSO4 plus CuCl2. Column 2, first option is double decomposition. Double decomposition. Option 2 is displacement. Option 3 is combination. And option 4 is decomposition. The right answers are option A, MgCl2 plus 3O2 gives MgClO3, 2 molecule, is combination reaction. B, 2Cu gives 2Cu plus I2 is decomposition reaction. C, 2Fe plus 6HCl gives 2FeCl3 plus 3H2 is displacement reaction. And the last BaCl2 plus CuSO4 gives BaSO4Cu plus CuCl2 is double decomposition reaction. I hope you have understood till this. Question number 12 is like answer the following questions. A is how hydrogen gas is prepared from alkalis. Give reaction. So, in chapter of hydrogen we have learned hydrogen from alkalis. The reaction of powdered metals like zinc, lead and aluminium with hot concentrated solution of alkalis results in the formation of their respective 8 salts and the release of hydrogen gas. Metal plus alkali gives 8 salt plus hydrogen. Sorry. The reaction we can write of lead, and that is 2Pb plus Pb plus 2NaOH gives Na2Pb H2. This is the reaction by metal lead. Now moving towards next question. It is why H2 cannot be collected from downward displacement of water. But before that, there is an easy question. It is, what is decomposition reaction? So, the type of reaction in which the original substance splits to give more than one new substance is called decomposition reaction. And reaction of decomposition reaction is 2NaHCO3 gives Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. I hope you've understood till this. Next is, what is double decomposition reaction? It is double decomposition reaction with reaction. So first of all, the definition is the reaction in which the constituent atoms of the reactants interchange by the decomposition of the two reactants to produce new compounds are called double decomposition reactions. They are generally represented like AB plus XY gives AY plus XB, and the reaction is B we have seen already. C, the reaction is if we'll see of MgCl2. MgCl2 plus 2KOH gives MgOH2 plus 2KCl. This is an example of magnesium hydroxide. I hope you have understood till this. Next, there is an question to find the some values of reactions to find the to make the balanced equation. So let's see that question. So let's move towards the question. The question is, A plus H2O gives B plus C. B is oxide of a metal A. C is gas. Then C plus Cl2 gives D gas. Like this. Then C plus E gives F. F plus D gives G. dense white fumes. Where hints are like A is a metal used in crackers, E is a gas whose percentage is maximum in the atmosphere, F is a pungent gas. So we have to identify A, B, C, D, E, F, G and give the corresponding balanced chemical reactions. In solution, let's start with first. So an oxide of metal is metal A is B. So by thinking, we have in the chapter of hydrogen we have studied one reaction, that is Mg plus H2O gives MgO plus H2, where according to the equation MgO is the oxide of metal Mg, that is correct. H2O is on its place and H2 is a gas, hydrogen. So therefore A is equal to Mg, B is equal to MgO and C is equal to H2. C plus Cl2 gives D. C is H2 plus Cl2 gives dash. So that is 2HCl. By balancing it, equation will give 2HCl. Normally the value of D will be HCl. Now moving towards this equation, C is H2 plus E we don't know gives F. F also we don't know. But we have learned an equation which we can think it's suitable here. First of all, they said that E is a gas whose percentage is maximum in the atmosphere. So of course it is nitrogen with molecule 2. We'll get F is equal to 2HN. Sorry, NH. 2NH3, and by balancing this will be H2, 3H2 plus N2 gives 2NH3. Next, the last one, F plus D, that is NH3 basically, and it gives G. Dense white fumes. Dense white fumes is, we have studied that it is NH4Cl. That is dense white fume. Remaining F, by observing this and balancing, we'll get the value of F as NH3. Sorry, value of D we will get as HCl. Therefore, again we have got the value of A, B, C, D. Value of E is N2, F is NH3 and G is NH4Cl. I hope you have understood this whole revision session and this part also. With this question, this was not too difficult, but I hope you've understood easily. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood this. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood this part. Thank you for watching. Let's meet with another revision session of another subject. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.